good morning everyone. So today is the first trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is AB Lifestyle because there is a big block deal. The seller is Flipkart Investment offloading up to 6% stake. The deal size is around $112 million and the price range is around 130 to 136 per share. The next stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is HDFC Bank because company shared the quarter 2 updates where the gross advances is up by 4.4% on quarterly basis, average deposit is up by 2% on quarterly basis and average CASA deposit is up by 1.9% on Q-on-Q basis, reported at 8.7 lakh crores. The next stock which you need to look at is Kotak Mahindra Bank where the company's net advances is reported at around 4.62 lakh crores which is up by 15.8% on yearly basis and 4% on quarterly basis. If you look at the average net advances, it is up by around 15% on yearly basis and 4% on quarterly basis, reported at 4.47 lakh crores and the total deposit is up by 14.6%. The next stock which you need to look at is Punjab National Bank where the company's global business is up by 2.5% on quarterly basis, global deposit is up by 1.7% on quarterly basis and global advances is also up by 3.6% on quarter basis. The next stock is Vedanta where the company's aluminium production is up by 1% on yearly basis and 2% on quarterly basis. Zinc sellable metal is down by 6% on yearly basis and 1% on quarterly basis. If you look at the zinc international production, it is up by 38% on yearly basis which is around 60 KT. The next stock which you need to look at is IndusInd Bank where the company's net advances are down by 8% on yearly basis, reported at 3.27 lakh crores. Deposit down by 5% on yearly basis and 2% on quarterly basis, reported at 3.89 lakh crores. If you look at the CASA ratio, it is reported at 30.8% versus 31.5% on quarterly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Bajaj Finance because company has updated the quarter 2 updates where the customer franchise is reported at 1010.64 million versus 92.09 millions on yearly basis. New loan booked up by 26% and AUM of the company is up by 24% on yearly basis, reported at 4.62 lakh crores. The next stock is Bajaj Housing Finance where the company's gross disbursement is up by 32% on yearly basis, reported at 15,900 crores. AUM is again up by 24% on yearly basis, reported at 1.26 lakh crores. The next stock is Avenue Supermart where the company's standalone revenue is reported at 16,219 crores. The total store count is reported at 432 as of September 30th. The next stock is L&T Finance where the company's retailization is reported 98% versus 96%. Retail disbursement is up by 25%, reported at 18,850 crores and retail loan book is again up by around 15% on yearly basis, reported at 1.04 lakh crores. The next stock is Hindustan Zinc where the company's mined metal production is up by 1%, refined zinc production is up by 2% and refined lead production is down by 29% on yearly basis. The next stock is Lupin because US FDA classifies Pithampur Unit 2 inspection as official action indicated. Lupin working with FDA to resolve issue. The next news about the Lupin that Lupin launches Legratudide injection in the US for the glycemic control. The next stock which you need to look at is Bajaj Healthcare Limited because company receives SEC CDSCO approval to conduct phase 3 trial for Suvorexatin tablet. The next stock which you need to look at is Infosys because company partners with Telenor shared service to modernize HR with Oracle Cloud HCM solution. The next stock is Tata Steel because company receives 2,411 crore demand from Odisha Authority over Sukinda mine shortfall. So these were some of the stocks which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.